Hi again. So in this example, we are going to run a backtest, and we're going to use pyfolio to analyze that. It's going to fail because I did not install pyfolio yet. So I'm going to do that and then install it. So we will install it together, and you will see how I do it on a Windows machine with Python 3.6. So let's go. We start by copying the data just like that, and we are going to modify the dates according to the ingested data and the date that I executed on. So step number 1. Step number 2, I want to get a benchmark. So we're going to use Yahoo to read the benchmark, and I think we're using here the SPY, right? That's just defining it, and we are going to use it a bit later. We'll see that. So basically I'm copying everything here, but it's already inside the utils module, sub-module of zipline-trader, so you could just use that. Alright, up next we are going to define our algorithm, which is a very simple algorithm, which is buy and hold 100 shares of Amazon, which is of course not possible because we did not ingest Amazon. So let's just change it to Apple, and that looks fine. And the last part is actually running it, executing it with the SPY as a benchmark. So dates. These dates should be altered to 2021. And let's run it from February, like that. So hopefully this will work. We're using the Alpaca API bundle with SPY as a benchmark with initial $100,000. And let's go. And well, did not work as expected. Let's check why. Well, we should probably use it for more than a day. So let's do this and see what happens. And yeah, we got the data right here. This is not a winning algorithm, of course, but this is how you run a backtest inside the research environment. Now we could analyze it using pyfolio. But if I try to run this, we will get module does not exist, right? Because we need to install it. So let's do that. So I'm going to run it directly, install it directly from GitHub, just like that, from the Quantopian repository. You could install it in whatever way you want, but I'm just going to do this. And copy the Quantopian repository. Make sure that you are inside the virtual environment that you want to use, and let's go. Let's pause and wait for it to install. And now let's run Jupyter again. And let's go back here and see what's up. Let's wait for it. And we're good. Yeah. So let's first of all, let's check if we can import pyfolio. And if so, let's run everything again and analyze our algorithm, our backtest. Give it a second. Kernel starting. Let's wait for it. Alright, pyfolio looks fine. So let's just rerun everything. Cells run all. Let's wait for it. Here we go. And let's just continue with what we've got here. And hopefully we will get the report just like we got it here. So let's see. And now it's being created. So yeah, we've just used pyfolio. We've installed it directly from GitHub and use it on a simple algorithm that we've backtested inside the research environment. And that's that. So see you in the next one. Thanks.